Hi guys, this is me, Vladimir again, and the reason why I'm filming it is because I think this place truly beautiful is. I can show you around a little bit of this place. And as you can see, the weather is like maybe 23 degrees Celsius on a hot summer day. Today is actually August August 13th in year 2025. And if you may wonder where the place is located, it is located in Gömsta and that is located in Stockholm, Sweden. And Gömsta the nature reserve where I am at, is nearby Vårby. Vårby is like a suburb area from Stockholm. Okay guys, I think that was actually pretty much it. Yeah, and I forgot to say that this is a nature reserve where I am at. Everything what I showed you around is a nature reserve. Okay guys, I think that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and see you on the next one. Bye bye.